Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again. I hope everyone is fine. And today I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to draw a friend Scooby-Doo right here. First thing to do is to start with an oval. Then I place another geometrical shape around here. Okay, it's going to overlap the oval we have made. Now I'm going to try and divide it in the middle so I can give it a feel of a three-dimensional shape. Okay. So this is where his chest is going to start. I give it a distance, and Scooby's chest is going to be puffed out like he was very proud. And just to help me, I'm gonna draw this line here to indicate the position of his body, like this. So around the line I have just drawn, I'm going to make like I'm going to draw something like a balloon dog. Another oval here, and I'm going to make some other oval down here just to be the base for his body. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw Scooby's shoulder like this. And since we're already here, I would love it if you could just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell. It only takes a second, it would make the channel grow and it would make my day. Thanks a lot for being with me. So the other shoulder is gonna come from here, going down to the feet, where the feet are gonna be. A straight line, and then I'm gonna hook this line right at this point. So it's gonna end very close to the neck. Now I'm erasing the excess lines so I'll have a better sense of what to do now. So this short line here is going to be the back, and from this point I'm going to draw a triangular shape because it's going to be the first hind leg. Like this. And on the other side I'm going to do something similar. I'm just going to mirror what I have done here. So there's going to be this little lobe on his arm, and you might lose count of it, but it's actually 3 fingers on each one of the hands or paws. Three here and another 3 here. Alright, we have 6. I hope it's okay. 6. Now let's complete the leg. And it's just that the toes are much bigger. Okay, we're gonna do the same to the other side. One toe, another big toe, and a smaller one. It's gonna be 3 to 4 toes on his foot. And at this point here we're gonna draw the tail. It's just like a letter S. Working on the face now, let's take a look at this, and we're gonna have the eyes. Since his head is gonna be tilted, I'm just going to make the eyes in a different position. You see that the eye on the left is gonna be a bit lower. I'll draw a line here, and his nose is just gonna be a big triangle. kind of a letter C here for the first cheek. And right next to the eye I'm going to place the end of his smile. So it's just gonna be 2 curved lines here coming from the nose. Then we can complete the other side. So we're gonna have his lip, another letter C, and we have his chin with a curved line going up, like this. Now let's draw the shape of his head. So his ear is going to be like a rabbit's ear. So this one is gonna look like a leaf with a water drop inside. So let's make an expression line, draw his irises and then his eyebrows. Okay, but I think it's pretty much done. We just have to add a few details. So his color is going to come from here, very close to the chin. Just draw a couple of lines. And then there's gonna be his pendant. Well, I know there is an SD inside, but I'm not gonna go that far. I'm just gonna make it shaped like a diamond. It's time to make some details on the chest and belly. I'm gonna erase anything which I think is gonna give me trouble in the future. Now we just have to find a place for his smudges. So pretty much ready. I'm very happy with it, so it's time to get the marker and cover the external lines. Okay, so I'm just here erasing some things and checking if everything's alright. I see that I missed a few things, but I can fix it at any time. And I'm using brush pens to color this one because I think the colors are a lot more vivid. But you don't have to do exactly the same thing I'm doing. You can use whatever you have at hand or whatever medium you feel most comfortable with. Scooby is ready for the next snack. I hope you have enjoyed the process, and don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's make this channel grow, guys. Thank you very much for watching the whole video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.